Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Illusto, a tool that claims to create videos with this online video editor designed for content creators, marketers, and business owners. This is a kind of rare tool to come on AppSumo. We had only one good one before that. It was Flixer, and Illusto seems nice. The user interface and experience are clean, and you can export in 4K. That's the first one on AppSumo. There are video editor that allows us to export in 4K. This is a kind of tier 2 geo, so prepare yourself to get the business plan, tier 2, but you can also get the tier 1, the essential plan. What's the difference here? With the tier 1, you get 20 exports per month, and with tier 2, it's only $89. You're gonna get unlimited exports per month, much more AI generated image per month, unlimited premium stock media assets. You'll be locked to 15, so it's not good at all, and much more storage. And also you're gonna get the right to use templates and 4 hours out subtitles per month. The deal is pretty good for $89. I'm gonna buy the tier 2 for sure, and I'm happy seeing how that editor works pretty nice and fast, and this is really important if you want to create videos for YouTube and social media, when making things fast is mandatory right now. Oh, you can see here the editor, and everything happens on the left. You also can see voiceover and check the shortcuts here above. Also, you receive notifications here. Your history version, you'll be able to check it here, and here you have the timeline. I want to export media. What I want to do? What you need to do? You can see that they have an audio library and also your library. You can just upload the media here as your library, or even if it's only a project media, just upload it here, your project media library. So let's say you want to cut, just drag and drop here. You're gonna see here on the left, on the right, the view. And then it's pretty simple. You can use one of the shortcuts or go here to cut. I'm gonna cut and delete it, then merge here. And I'm gonna show you how it's processed. It's pretty fast. Processed. We can add the transition here. Those are the kind of transitions that they have. Let's say the upper left intro. You're gonna see it right now. So pretty simple. We have a transition here. A new one. They also have filters that you can add to your video. Filter one here. You can see here, black and white, and just drag and drop. Pretty simple. That's why I like it. They have effects, masks. You can see the effects here, broken glass, watercolor, faded art. Of course, they will improve it with time. On text, you have those ready to use captions. You can also use a combination of free text and ready to use. When I use this one is good for blog. So just add to track, drag and drop, and here you can see my text. If you want to change the caption, just double click on it. You can change also the font. You can upload your font as well, and just drag and drop here. Pretty simple. Okay. And as a free text here, you have default, gold text, effects, neon text. Neon is pretty nice. You can just drag and drop here. You have a text. Click on it, new text, pretty simple, drag and drop, and that's it. Really nice tool. Let's see the stock image. So I'm gonna beautiful young woman. You can see pretty fast and many options here. It's a game-changing tool. I'm impressed at how it's fast, and also can create by AI. Beautiful young woman. You can select photos, painting, 3D drawing, and generate image. So they have generated some image here. Stock videos. Let's select beautiful young woman. Then you can see here pretty fast what you get. Just drag and drop, and it will go to your timeline. They also have stock audio, and if you want to create the subtitles, you can just click on that button and it will auto subtitle your video. It's pretty easy to use with already an workable solution for your videos. I'm pretty excited to test Illusto more. I'm gonna get the $8-9 deal for sure. And when you are ready to export your video, just click here on export video, okay? And you can export on 4K. You can add cover, select the FPS, your output model, name, no captions, or poor audio. You can also export as a GIF. It's a solution as well. I hope you like that review. I have added the best link on the descriptions to get Illusto right now on AppSumo. It's a stellar deal. Try to do not miss it. The price is great. Hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.